Cuddling kids. Cuddling kids, we have a clue. Does anyone know what this symbol means? Reduce, reuse, recycle, which is a complicated way of saying take care of the earth. Let's open our envelope. Looks like Earth Day is coming up, April 22nd. Let's open our package. Looks like this wrapping paper has been reused. That's good for the earth. Looks like our book is Curious Garden. This is a great book to help us celebrate Earth Day. Oh, and we got a buddy book, Amazing Earth. Perfect. The Curious Garden by Peter Brown. There once was a city without gardens or trees or greenery of any kind. While everyone else stayed inside, you could always find Liam happily splashing through his neighborhood. The railway had stopped working ages ago, and since Liam had always wanted to explore the tracks, there was only one thing for the curious boy to do. The first thing he saw was a lonely patch of color. Wildflowers and plants were the last thing he had expected to find up there. They needed a gardener. As the weeks rolled by, Liam began to feel like a real gardener, and the plants began to feel like a real garden. Most gardens stay in one place, but this was no ordinary garden. With miles of open railway ahead of it, the garden was growing restless. It wanted to explore. Many years later, the entire city had blossomed, but of all the new gardens, Liam's favorite was where it all began. Buddy books, fiction and nonfiction. Amazing Earth by Courtney Acampora. Earth is an amazing planet. Earth is made up of 7 continents. Each continent is unique. North America. The Grand Canyon is in Arizona. It was formed by the Colorado River. It is millions of years old. South America. The Amazon is a giant rainforest. It is a habitat full of plants and animals. It has more wildlife than anywhere else on Earth. Europe. Thousands of reindeer migrate from Norway to Finland. They travel across the ice. They feed on grasses in the summer. The reindeer travel to a new home each winter. Africa. The Nile is the longest river on Earth. It is located in Egypt. The Nile River is an important source of water. Asia. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain above sea level. It is in the Himalayas. It slowly grows taller each year. Antarctica. It is cold and icy there. Antarctica is always covered by a thick layer of ice. The ice never melts completely. Australia. The Great Barrier Reef is a large coral reef. It is the largest living structure in the world. It can be seen from space. It is home to 25% of ocean life on Earth. What will you do to take care of our amazing Earth this Earth Day? For the full story, please purchase this book or check it out at your local library. For more Cuddling Kids, please subscribe.